chronic in your tweet. Speak what I feel, cause I'm real as they come. I'm a bitch with a gun, never run, ain't for none. So step up if you wanna test your luck trick. Sister like Silk, really don't give a fuck, bitch. Punk bitches wanna step, only speak howdy doody. I make yourself break yourself, bitch. You never knew me. Yours truly, no longer laying in the cut, steady fucking shit up. Never see me shaking my butt. I strut like a gangster, bitch. No, not a prankster, bitch. I'm quick to bank a bitch. Trig, peep game at this bitch as I shoot this gangster bitch. Stepping rolling with the ruthless.
The R-U-T-H-L-E-S-S, yo. It's the nigga that I claim the block, so nigga, what's next? Try to step and flex and get wrecked like a mad truck. I'm kicking and spitting this funky shit to make a quick fat buck. I'm dumping it, don't you seconds can't cope. I tip flipping, I rip shit. I'm stretching, damn girl, I fuck back up. Chilling up in the studio with the ruthless family. Fuck that double posse, yo, them fools cannot handle me. Snoopy Andrea, come and try to fade her. Loped out, Compton, original baby gangster. 187's how we do it on the west. You say your shit is chronic, but to me it's more like stress. Or should I say, make my shit astronic. The dog pound don't wanna step to the atomic dog. D-O-G-K-N-O-C-C-O-U-T, so motherfuckers come and fuck with me.
This is just a little something to keep your ass in check. Ruthless motherfucking family is still in effect. This is just a little something to keep your ass in check. Ruthless motherfucking family is still in effect. This is just a little something to keep your ass in check. Ruthless motherfucking family is still in effect. This is just a little something to keep your ass in check. Ruthless motherfucking family.
Jealousy is a motherfucker when you're the man with the upper hand. I don't give a shit, clock a grip like no other can. Wanna be like me, be a G like me, but I'm the nigga that made a G out of the bitch. D-R-E-Z, I was a captain, Wade was my sidekick. Everything was cool till he wanted to get what I get. Envy of a real G, easy motherfucking E, not claiming you a G. How does it feel to be me?